Hello children, you have learnt a lot about spreadsheet software Calc, but still there is lot to learn. In this chapter, we shall discuss about charts in Calc. As you know, spreadsheet softwares are very good to store data and make calculations on them, but sometimes it becomes so difficult to read data. For example, look at this data of population. It is very difficult to comprehend how this data is changing. Now look at graphical representation of this data. Now we can comprehend it in a much better way how fast population is rising. This graphical representation of data is known as chart. Now let us see how to create a chart. Click on insert button, select chart option, then select default options of chart wizard. Don't make much changes at this level, and then click on finish button. This is another way of creating chart. Select the range, click on insert chart button, chart wizard appears, then select default options and click on finish button. Chart is